So hey guys, I have this brand new POCO X2, so we are going to have a detailed look on the vlog mode that Xiaomi has installed on this phone. So guys, my name is Jagdish Singh, you are watching The Creative Lens. Let's get started. So here we are in the POCO X2. To shoot video on the vlog mode, just go to your camera, video, and here you got the option for vlog mode. In the vlog mode, you've got 7 different transitions. So I'm trying the first one. Just click on the shoot video, and here you can click 4 different clips. So this vlog mode will make a cinematic video out of the 4 video clips that you have shooted. So guys, these are the cinematics video that I have shooted in the POCO X2 in the vlog mode. So if you like the video, subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon, and thank you for watching.